Hey everybody, I just got this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport Tribute, not a real Super Sport. This is a 136 VIN that has been ground up restoration, just in from South Carolina. Clean title here at MGM with this South Carolina car. As you can see, the beautiful paint on the exterior. I'm going to walk the car and talk a little bit about everything the most I can with the vehicle. This one has the American Racing upgraded wheels and tire package. I do have stock rallies for it. You can pick and choose whichever one you want. There will be no more money less, no more money more. So that's your choice. I do have that option here because we do sell a lot of Chevelles. This one has tinted windows, black top on the car in good condition. It is a power top as well. As I just go across the car, guys, the body gaps do look good. The reflection of the paint is really, really nice on this car. This particular unit has a upgraded four-wheel Wilwood power disc brake kit. All the trim and chrome on the car, as you can see here going past the vehicle here, is in new work condition. As far as the trunk is concerned, new weather stripping restored here on the trunk area. And when I, checking for Bondo or anything like that, these quarters are solid with no patches. Okay, and that's on both sides of the vehicle. So when I take my hand underneath here, I don't feel any splits, cuts, welds, so it appears to be all good, solid metal in here. Okay. Like I did mention, the paint does look great on the car, and it shines super, super nice, guys. I didn't get this convertible top to snap in here, but it does work. I'm just by myself and a little bit in a hurry because I got a lot of cars to shoot today. Dual side mirrors on both sides, new handles, all the chrome fit and trim is nice on the car. The dash is excellent condition, as you can see there. SS hood as well. So yeah, front bumper, everything's newer with the trim and the grille, as you can see there, guys. Just a beautiful example of a 67. Okay, underneath the hood, it is a 396 big block. Let's check that out. All right, here we go. 396 big block, guys. You got the Sniper EFI electronic fuel injection system, aluminum high-rise intake there by Edelbrock. You got the Summit electronic ignition system. There you have the Wilwood setup on the four-wheel power disc brakes. Chrome alternator, nice valve covers, aluminum radiator with dual fans, Delco battery, and there's your vintage air conditioning as well. Okay. Very nice. K&N Air filter. See the dash here? Looks real clean. Got your vent windows for free air conditioning, even though this thing has the air conditioning. So you just open that up and turn it like that, and there you go. Air comes right through there and right through the cockpit. Nice mirrors, nice chrome door handles, nice boot on the car. The door lips look good. Real nice newer door panels. Door sill plates are new. Rockers look great. Inner outer jams are in good and solid condition, guys. SS steering wheel, brand new dash, nice clean crisp cluster with the gauges, your sweep gauges there. Beautiful bucket seats, all new condition with the seat belts. Now the seat belts are in the back, but there are no seat belts in the front. So that would be something that we can add for you if need be. Nice, beautiful factory center console, upgraded radio. Your Sniper EFI system is in the glove box, and the radio is a Bluetooth radio with the triple gauge package. All right. So due to the fact that this is a Sniper Holley Fuel injection system, you just put the key in the ignition, guys, and turn it in the on position, and just give it a few seconds. There's no need to pump anything with your foot on the gas, and you just fire it up. That's it. Okay. This is your Bluetooth radio here, all brand new. Now we could add kick panel speakers that go right there, and maybe a pair of speakers somewhere in the back. That would be a custom job, so you would have to give us a call for that if you wanted that upgraded. You got great oil pressure. So all the cars will be going through the service department before we get them shipped out to you. I'll make sure that the horn works and a few other things like the wipers as well. Turn signals are functioning with no problem. Heat and cold air conditioning. The triple gauge package does function as well. Our way. A lot of traffic today, but a beautiful day. Let me, I forgot my wallet here, guys. Let me go back and grab it. So this building to your left, the brown building to your left, is full with over 200 of my classic cars that you can check out at mgmclassiccars.com. All right, I'm going to go in and grab that, and we can resume the video. I'll pause it. Bear with me. This is where it all happens. All right, people, I'm back. Got my wallet. Gonna go for a little cruise on this gorgeous freaking day, man. Make this one extra long, so we'll just cruise and enjoy the day. Show you guys how this car, the temperament of the car, which sounds great, stops well. See the shifting. Nice and smooth. Tracks down the road real nice. I mean, you can drive this car with one finger. Power steering is nice and smooth. Turn signals function. brakes feel good. When you hit the brakes, the car doesn't pull left or right.
Oh, this is nice and relaxing. And you look good. And it's got power.
So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We have over 200 cars in stock that we own, no consignments. We put our money where our mouth is. We buy good cars, like this one. Real nice, no major noises in the car, blows cold air, heat, defrost, everything functions like it should. Beautiful. Love this thing. A lot of thumbs up, guys, wherever you go. So if you need financing, your credit score is like 640 to 775. You will need 10% down, which will be $7,000. Rates start at about 7%. Everything's based off your credit profile. You can fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. Upper right-hand corner, you'll see the Finance tab. For those of you with a little higher credit score than 775, not a problem. No money down option is available, guys. You can go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. No money down option there. You guys can roll in your sales tax. You can roll in your delivery charges or any upgrades that you want to do. This car has a lot of upgrades already. I don't know what else you would want to do with this thing. Maybe a stereo system, but this does have the Bluetooth already. You can add an amp and some speakers if you like. If you want us to do that, we can, but that will, you'll have to call us. We'll have to talk about what you want, and we'll give you a price. But everything else it has: four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, aluminum radiator. For those of you that need delivery, not a problem. You can text me or call me with your zip code. Get you a quote. I do prefer text message. I can get back to you quicker. Usually every day, on nice days, I'm doing things like this and enjoying myself. Yeah. 26 years, guys. 26 years in the business, and I love it. I love it. My customers love it. I have over 500 five-star reviews. I have over several hundred transactions on eBay with 100% buyers and sellers feedback. You buy with confidence. Be aware of all the scams that are going on, guys. We do welcome you anytime to come over and see the car in person. We can go for a test drive together. You can touch it, feel it, see it. But I understand if you're busy. That's why I make these videos and tell you about the cars. You can check out 200 of them at mgmclassiccars.com. I do own all of them. All different makes and models. We're going to head back to the dealership now. We have our own service departments. Mechanics on staff, full-time. We're going to take pictures of underneath this Chevelle. And you guys can check that out on the website at mgmclassiccars.com. And for now, enjoy the ride, guys. With the low profile tires, you do have the choice of getting the rally wheels with another set of tires that you can choose from. If you like this look, that's great. If you like the stock look, I can put those on for you guys. Beautiful rally wheels as well. The things you'll see. Well, we're headed back to the dealership. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. If you need a delivery quote, you can call or text. I prefer text. And my number is 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching and spending your time with me. I know your time is valuable. But again, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. I do